Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about library in programming. What is the meaning of library in programming? Generally, the library in our daily life is the place where we can go to for reading books that are written by writers, and they summarize what they learned in their life, then wrote it in their books to make it useful and available for others. That is what happened in programming. There are other programmers who wrote code to perform a specific task and put it in one place to help other programmers and save their time by using the library. The same concept is in most of programming languages, but the difference is in their names only. Examples on some of those names: library, module, and package. An example on libraries in the programming language Python: a module called Turtle, and it's used to draw and coloring our drawing. And it's about a library that's very easy to learn, and it's considered as a good start in programming world for beginners and kids. And if you want to learn more about Turtle module or want to begin to learn programming, check my YouTube channel. You will find more videos on programming concepts and Turtle module, and you will find the Turtle module playlist in the description box. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.